pathology goes further back to a thing that I describe as the antipathy to nature. And it's born out of the trauma. But when the titanic upheavals happened, obviously one of the after effects of that was a great and deep suspicion of nature itself. A breach had taken place. It became a primal drive within us, at the seat of our ego consciousness, a deep antipathy to nature, self. Now this should be considered the root of all psychological derangement. Technology and scientism is one of the main symptoms of that pathology. You couldn't have technology and science as we know it today, being so ecocidal and so super rational and so anti-human, if this antipathy to nature did not exist. Also, globalism is a fulfillment. Globalism to live inside the hive. Glass buildings, armor, plate, glass to keep you away from nature. And it was the calamity of the old world order that changed us. We felt like we were cast out of the garden, and we were infected with a deep, non-conscious suspicion toward nature. And for those who are already getting what I'm saying, when you see that nature and the self are one, look what the implication is. Infection with suspicion towards nature is infection with suspicion towards oneself.